In the vast expanse of space where the mysteries of the universe unfold, about 95 light-years away from us, in a distant corner of the cosmos, lies a star system called HD172555, a place of great interest to astronomers. It's a relatively young star, much like our own sun, but with a unique story to tell. This star system holds a fascinating secret that has intrigued scientists for years. Astronomers believe they've found evidence of a massive planetary collision in this system, a cosmic event of epic proportions. Imagine two planets, possibly the size of our Earth or even bigger, hurtling towards each other, smashing into each other with unimaginable force, creating a spectacular display of cosmic destruction. Astronomers made this incredible discovery by studying the light coming from the HD172555 system. They found something unusual, a large amount of gas, including carbon monoxide and a lot of dust, orbiting the star. The presence of these materials, especially in the observed quantities and composition, suggested a violent event, a cosmic crash of immense proportions. The aftermath of this collision is a scene of incredible chaos. The vast expanse of space is now filled with a chaotic mix of debris, swirling clouds of dust, and fragments of what were once two distinct planets. The two planets, once separate worlds, are now reduced to a swirling cloud of molten debris. This cataclysmic event has transformed them into a single, chaotic mass of molten rock and metal. Think of it like a cosmic car crash, but on a planetary scale, with molten rock and vaporized metals scattered everywhere. The sheer energy released in this collision is almost unimaginable. Among the debris, scientists have found something even more intriguing: silica vapor. This discovery opens up new questions about the composition of the colliding planets. This suggests that one of the colliding planets had a rocky surface, perhaps similar to Earth. The presence of silica indicates that the planet might have had conditions suitable for forming such minerals. The impact was so powerful that it vaporized a significant portion of this rocky material, scattering it into space. This vaporized material now forms a part of the cosmic debris field, adding to the complexity of the aftermath. Studying HD172555 is like looking back in time. This star system, located about 95 light-years away, offers a unique window into the past. By examining it, we can understand the processes that shaped not only this distant system, but also our own. It gives us a glimpse into the early days of our own solar system. The chaotic and dynamic environment of young planetary systems is a fascinating subject of study. You see, planetary collisions were common billions of years ago when our solar system was forming. These colossal impacts played a crucial role in shaping the planets we see today. By understanding what happened in HD172555, we can learn more about how our own planet Earth came to be. The formation of Earth from cosmic debris is a story written in the stars. While we are far from sending probes or manned missions to such distant stars, the ongoing development of advanced telescopes and spectroscopic analysis techniques promises a clearer picture in the future. These tools allow us to peer deeper into the universe than ever before. By observing the light from this system, we can decipher its composition, dynamics, and evolution. Each photon of light carries a wealth of information about the distant past. The HD172555 planetary collision serves as a stark reminder of the dynamic and often violent nature of the universe. These events are not just relics of the past but continue to shape the cosmos. It emphasizes the importance of studying these events and unraveling their secrets. By doing so, we not only learn about the universe, but also about the origins of our own world. Through such cosmic catastrophes, we gain a deeper understanding of our own place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Each discovery brings us one step closer to comprehending the vast and intricate universe we inhabit.